Ukiwa mweusi duniani, atuwe mzungu kwa mambo yote. Ukimupokea atakuwako, utapata maisha ya milele. Ukiwa mweusi duniani, atuwe mzungu kwa mambo yote. Ukimupokea atakuwako, utapata maisha ya milele. Hey guys, karibu kwenye order. Ngese muje inbox tu Flora Gwiza TV show, murahasanga smoke fish, tilapia smoke fish. Guys, ngahora muzongere kujya mu banyafrika kugura. Ni karibu. Usibye ko nigeze no kuzicuruza, ababizi barabizi. Ubwo rero ikiraka nimukijyana handi. Banange twavuze ko uyu mwaka ari wo gusavinga. Nanjye mufashe gusavinga. Okay, thank you very much. Ngaho turebe ukuntu noneho byagenze. Yes, ngaho. Hello guys, how are you doing? Asashimwe, Bwana Yesu asifiwe, habari za masiku. Hopefully you are very good. Nizere ko Imana ibarinze. Hopefully everybody where you are in this world, you are good. Guys, today I need to show you how to make this smoke fish. I will smoke this fish. Don't go to Kasoa, buy expensive fish. I'm so sorry, Kasoa. If she help me, she's gonna kill me. I'm gonna cancel his market and everybody come to me and I'm gonna sell to you. Okay? Follow. For who doesn't know me, my name is Flora Gwiza. We are together. Let's go. Okay. Hano murabona yuko nateguye. Yes. Iyi niyo ndishyire mu bakinga muri oven. Murabona mfite 4 fishes. Ariko ndumva nazigabanyamo kugira ngo nze kubereka neza ukuntu zabaye smoked. Nabanje kuzoza ntimugire ikibazo. Let's cut it and we will follow how to make. Maybe reka nshemo ibice bibiri gusa. Ni fish enye nafashe. Hano turi kuzikata kugira ngo tuzisige. Okay? Yep. Munsi ninge namwe. Guys, hopefully you will like this smoked fish because it's yummy. Yummy. That's it. Okay. Now I finished to cut it. Hello guys. Twagiye for tilapia, smoked tilapia. You will need just tilapia. Clean it very good. As you can see here, it's very well cleaned. I did behind camera because I don't need to take you a time, guys. Time is money here. You see it's very well cleaned. Yes, I remove all inside here. You can see. Okay, now let's wipe a little bit. I'm gonna wipe a little bit because I don't need more water inside. Ntabwo nshaka amazi imbere. Guys, twiyemeje kuzajya dukora economy. Nababwiye yuko this 2025, if you don't know how to do saving and economy, join Flora. She's gonna tell you how to do. Okay, it doesn't matter your salary. It doesn't need to be more salary. It doesn't need to be big amount. What you need, it's wisdom of God. Saving, it need wisdom of God. If you don't know wisdom of God, you cannot know how to save. You're gonna lose your money using for nothing. At the end, you're gonna bother people around, say, oh, can you borrow me this? And you finish all your money. Eat healthy and know how to manage your budget, okay? Now, I need just to let you know, the people who go to Africanese market, I know all of us, we go there sometime, because me too. Sometime I'm going there to buy some stuff I need. But why not you cannot do yourself at home and you make sure what you like and you know how to do by yourself, which to save money. Nubikora mu rugo, kuki wajya kubigura muri market? Fish ubwazo ntabwo zihenda hano, namwe murabizi, ni superstore. Nje niho nzigurira, niho mba ndishwa ko nziguze, kuko izo muri African market ntabwo nzi igihe ziba zimaze, ariko wenda muri superstore nugupfa kwihangana nyine tukagura izo ngizo, kuko ntabwo dufite ikivu hano hafi ngo twirobere. Ariko guys, niba muzi iyo smoke fish, nje ndayikunda cyane, it's my favorite meal. I cook that with the lenga, niba bazita calorie from people to the Caribbean, they are calling calorie, okay, maybe. And iwacu bazita inyabutongo. Ushobora no kuziteka na spinach, you can use spinach to make it, but me, I like when it's with calorie or inyabutongo cyangwa lenga. Okay, hano put a big tray. It's where I'm gonna put because it's more. Now, let's start. This, I'm gonna use just 2-3 ingredients. I need this Himalaya salt. It's for sea. Pink salt. Rose by Himalaya. Okay? And bouillon. This is Maggi. Chicken. It can be used even in fish. And we need oil. Just spray a little bit. Okay? Look. Let my hand to make sure. Let's clean. And we go. Where we go? But guys, before even I put my spicy, let's put at baking here on baking 350. It's what I'm gonna use. Do 1 hour like 20, but almost 1 hour it's enough. We will see 1 hour if it's good, but 1 hour it have to be good. Yes, when you need more dry, it's when you can add it more. Okay, let's start. I will use this. Yes. Let's first spray oil on it. Just make sure it's small. It's just to make sure if it's not gonna dry too much. It's the way I like. Guys, amakuru yanyu aka naka weekend keza nifuje kubakorera ino smoke fish as my favorite meal. Nari maze iminsi ndi kubitekereza bizagera ryari ngo mbazanire aka kantu, ariko usibye ko nyine iwacu n'abantu bake bazirya. Uziko ngo hari abantu barinze basaza batararya amafi. Yewe murambabaje, niba mutarya amafi mukarya inyama ni ukwica umubiri pe, kuko amafi ari mu kintu cya mbere bita omega. If you need to have a nice skin as a woman, omega ni ikintu bakwandikira no kwa muganga. Ariko wagize amahirwe ukanayirya mu biryo wikoreye kandi uzi kuntu wabitunganyije neza, ukarya n'umuryango wawe mukaryoherwa mukagubwa neza, mukaba muzi ko mufite omega mu mubiri wanyu. Guys, ntabwo ngomba gushyiraho umunyu mwinshi, nuko nzi yuko n'uyu munyu akenshi na kenshi nkanjye ndibuze kuyenjoyinga pe, nayikoresha muri izo mboga nashatse ko nza kuzitekamo. Yes, utaha ubwo abashaka smoke fish murangane, ariko mwagiye muteza ibyashara bene wanyu. Ubwo aho mwicaye wabona mukunda smoke fish, ariko mukaba mutinya kodaringa ngo muhicyashara mama Flora. Buse koko nimutaneza imbere muribwira yuko ni bande rubanda niwe bazampereza ibyashara. Amasambusa bo nabonye nk'abantu nka 5 bangana baje kuyakoresha. Yes, kandi naranezerewe pe. Ushize natekeye abantu amafi baranezerewe nabwo. Guys, nshyizemo hano kuko murabizi ko ari amafi menshi. Yes, nibiburaho turongeraho nta kibazo. Aka kamagi nako kuhumuza kugira ngo nyine niba nshaka no kuyirya uwo mwanya mitenyataka muri kundeba. Mbeko amazi yuzuye akanwa nta nazirya. Yesuwe ko ndi buzirya zikiri mbisi. Shanza ajya mbakorera gashya nyine. Ariko mwari muzi n'ibindi ko ngo iyo umuntu ari kurya indyo ngo nicyo kintu cya mbere kinezeza mu guhimbaza Imana. Indyo nziza noneho iyo wabashije no kuyikorera. Guys, nawe urabyumva nyine. Nuguhimbaza Imana ikibuka ko wibutse uburyo kiyaguhaye. Nta kintu yatwimye. Guys, God give us all we need. It's just human being who abused. Otherwise, ibyo yari yaturemeye byose byari byiza, ibiremwa byose byari byiza. Ariko nyine cyaha. Ewe Adamu we na Eva baraduhemukiye. Ngaho ubu rero ngewe uko biri kose kamagi kanjye nkurikije ukuntu nakarunze. Guys, nakarunze pe. Okay, katwongere dukavaringe hano kandi noneho tunakorere n'isuku kuko nabyo biba bikenewe. Okay, this can get out me and you can see me very well. Ndi kugerageza gusiga, murazireba hano imbere yanyu, utaza kuvuga ngo ko wasize tutakureba. Okay, murabona ko zirasukuye pe zifite ubuziranenge. Abantu rero mukunze kuzituma wanange munaita Kongo mututumie samaki smoke fish, mututumie samaki ya kukauka. Byote na makayabu nzayibakorera. hanyuma mureke kuzajya mugora abantu. Njewe icyo koze kuva namenye ututuntu byaranduhuye nanjye, kuko hari igihe wumva ukeneye kurya ikintu ariko ibyo bintu byose hano kuko tubizi muri Afrika biraguhenda. Rega ibintu byose bimeze kuriya birahenda. Kanumve ko umunyu nakoze umeze neza. Yeah, I'm good. Now, guys, ninjye narangije gusiga. Reka nzishyiremo. Hanyuma turaza kureba hamwe resulta uko iraba imeze. Sibyo? Kandi nizere ko muri bwige neza mugakurikira. Ejo hatazavuga ngo ongera usubiremo. Urazipanga neza zidafatanye. Iyo zifatanye ntabwo ari byiza kuko bituma nyine zimatana. You separate them to make sure when it will be done, it will be good. Okay. This one. Hopefully, guys, this way is good. Ibaza ko nzagura agapula kanini kuko nubwo navuze ngo zibe separe ariko hari izegeranye. No, it's okay. Now I can go. Okay. Yeah. Guys, after that murabizi ko ngomba koza izi ntoki kugira ngo ibintu byose bigende neza. Okay. Kora mureba kugira ngo mutazajya mbahereza instruction nabi nagera mu rugo mukabikora nabi. Abagabo banyu bakavuga ngo ko bitameze nk'ibyo twabonye. Waba wubatse waba utubatse ntabwo bisaba kurya neza ngo nuko uri kumwe n'umuntu cyangwa ngo wabonye umushyitsi. Igihe isaha yose ugomba kwifata neza. Guys, murazireba ukuntu nazirambitseho. Okay? Kandi mwibuke ko nazisizeho utuvuta mbere hanyuma nkabashyizeho magi nakunyu. Yes. Ubu rero dutegereje ko iyi oven yacu iduha sinyare yuko tuzishyiramo kuko nakoze preheat. Preheat ni ukuvuga ko irantegereje pe. Irantegereje. Yes. Ubwo rero naho mukanya. Hano nshyizemo muri oven 350. Hano mfite 4 PM 40. Ubwo turategereza isaha imwe. Naho mukanya nyuma y'isaha imwe tuze kureba ukuntu muri oven byifashe. Guys, mbabwije ukuri ntabwo muzongera kujya gutakaza amafaranga yanyu. Iriya fish imwe ukuntu igura biteye ubwoba. Mbese nta n'ikintu wazisigariza ahubwo ugiye ujya guhaha ngo ibintu byavuye muri Afrika ngo ujye kubihaha. Yego bimwe na bimwe tutabashije kubona tuzatujya kubihaha ariko nta kundi nyine mureke tugende. Guys, nizere ko amafi yacu yahiye. Ngiye kubereka muri oven ukuntu bisa hanyuma duhite tuyakuramo turebe ukuntu bimeze. Guys, suspense. Hari ukuntu bajyaga bareba mu video bagahita bango ngo mwese ngo mube maso. Hey, ngaho. Guys, reba. Namwe muri kubyumva. Leo ni leo. Leo ni leo. Leo ni leo. Reka nze nzikuremo noneho rero. Guys, ugomba kumakinga sure ko ufite izi gloves kuko washya. Ntabwo kandi nshaka ko ushya ukavuga ko atari njye wakwigishije neza. Guys, twagiye. Tugiye kuzimya. Hey. Look. Turn off. Okay. Tukaba twagiye. Guys, reba nawe ukuntu zimeze. Muzaba murambarira. Ngahora. Sinzi. Ubwo utari wabyemera, ubwo reka mushyirira ahantu zigaragara neza, sibyo? Kuko nanjye iyo nkoze ikintu kikemera, bana mpita numva nanjye kabisa ari ugushima umuremyi. Ubwenge bwose butangwa n'Imana. Ibi byose ntabwo navuga ngo ni njyewe wabivukanye. Iyo wize ugafata nawe ukagira abandi wigisha, ubwo nyine nizo nyungu zanyu. Narize none narafashe. Okay, ubu ndi kuzitegurira nko kwa Ikibonde Kigali. Nsigaye numva ngo barakoze akabari. Niba ari akabari, niba ari iki? Sinzi ko njye ntakunda n'akabari pe. Bakoze restaurant. Nari mubeshyeye kuko no mukristo nta kabari afite. Okay. Rero ubwo nanjye ndagerageza kubibapangira ngo murebe ukuntu ibintu bimeze, mbese mutagira n'ikintu na gito kibacika. Kwa amafi yabaye amafira, kanange njabureho gato. Nagomba kujabura akumva. Niba tuvungukira turyoshye guys. Ubwo noneho Yesu nabonye ukuntu nabavuga. Gusa navugishijwe. Navugishijwe. Niyo mpamvu ndi kubona nabuze amagambo yo kuvuga. Ngaho guys. Ngaho mwongere mumbwire. Ukiwa mweusi duniani, atuwe mzungu kwa mambo yote. Ukimupokea atakuoko, utapata maisha ya milele. Ukiwa mweusi duniani, atuwe mzungu kwa mambo yote. Ukimupokea atakuoko, utapata maisha ya milele. Ukiwa mweusi duniani, atuwe mzungu kwa mambo yote. Ukimupokea atakuoko, utapata maisha ya milele. Ukiwa mweusi duniani, atuwe mzungu kwa mambo yote. Ukimupokea atakuoko, utapata maisha ya milele. Soon iyo ndirimbo ikabageraho. Hey guys, karibu kwenye order. Mwese muje inbox to TV Flora Gwiza TV show. Murahasanga smoke fish, tilapia smoke fish. Guys, ngahora muzongere kujya mu Banyafrika kugura. Nanjye nayimenye. Ni karibu. Usibye ko nigeze no kuzicuruza, ababizi barabizi. Ubwo rero ikiraka nimukijyana hane banange twavuze ko uyu mwaka ari uwo gusevinga nanjye mufashe gusevinga. Okay, thank you very much. Ngaho don't forget subscribe, share and comment. I love you guys and God bless you all. Share.